I didn't know whether to.
Look at that,
I
man.
didn't know whether to take it out and let it.
That's good. That's
But
good.
it looks like it's still in the
Right.
room.
Yeah.
It's being
It's
born.
gotta be born. What is that, Benji?
It's being born.
Oh, you can want one of these?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that smile.
I want it.
Looks like a little
Let me
possum
hold it.
rolled up.
You think it's a
hold it.
possum? What do you think it is?
Let me hold it.
A fox.
A wolf or a husky?
Hold on.
Stretch his ears out.
It'll take him time to
Get all that,
recuperate. Get all the amniotic fluid off.
Vernix. Get the vernix off of
Vernix
there.
off.
Ready, guys?
Give it to
Have
Bubba.
a look at it.
Now, isn't that cute? He looks real, doesn't he?
It's like
I like the
like a
size. You can
Ajax.
fit him under your arm.
Yeah. That's the best kind.
Take this, Ruffy.
Cute as that.
Nana
You
has.
don't have to
We
take
can't.
outside.
We
He's
can't.
realistic.
Paul Haynes can't have one of those because Biscuit would be jealous. But Biscuit would chew it up.
You like
wouldn't
that? Antonina Pines, thank you.
Thank
he? You're welcome. You're welcome.
Now to make it more personalized,
Here we go.
there's something else you would want. Here,
Yeah.
I'll use that.
Oh,
Close your eyes.
It's like
Unwrap
that.
it. Unwrap this. Here, I'll hold your wood for you.
you. Let me tell you.
Ooh.
A blue collar for
Wow.
him. Let's see if it fits. Oh, it fits
Perfect. Look
perfectly.
at that.
Wait, that's not it.
Oh, we need some more accessories, huh?
Make it even more personalized.
Ooh.
Make him your pet.
Mm.
Gotta have a dog tag,
Oh, yes.
Mm.
don't you?
That's Gaston County law.
Mm-hmm. That's right.
Gotta have
law
a dog
people
tag. What's his name?
Show Paul Haynes. Blizzard.
His name's Blizzard. Blizz for short. You like that name? Yeah. And then you put this on here, around his neck, on his collar.
Oh, he's pretty.
And everybody, look what it says on the back. It says who the owner is.
Oh, yes, that's
Let me-
very
Let
important.
me see it.
Look,
That's very
owner
important.
Benjamin Willard.
Wow.
So everybody.
Because he
will
might try to
know.
explore the neighborhood.
Yeah,
Can't
in case
have
he
that.
gets lost.
Yeah.
Thought about putting a phone number on there, but you don't have a phone, so just put your name on it. Look at that, isn't he cute? What do you think? Let's get your picture with Blizzard. Come over here in front of the trees.
That's cute.
I know. Got real pockets.
And one want to wear this?
Cute.
And let me see your hand.
Let's get a family picture over here before Theo gets in his pack.
Push.
Hey, Van Grace.
The baby too, and it was attached to the seat.
Yeah.
There's just a strap.
Right. I mean, I guess you could say, like, as technology advances, humans get a little smarter. I don't know. Like, we're more naive, we're less naive than we used to be with, like, research and scientific research and technology. Oh, he got caught again. He got off and then got caught again because he's flipping around.
That's pretty.
There he is. Let's see.
What do you think?
A fish. Touch it, touch it.
You see the fish?
Touch it, baby.
You see the fish? You haven't seen one in a long time.
He,
Limbo. Oh, wow. Look at that. Nana, can you do this for me?
Banana the mouth and the teeth.
You see it?
Look inside of it. Fish and frogs down in there.
Nana, can you do this for
you
me?
see it? Size, man.
Like a
Wow.
shovel.
He just swallows it whole.
Touch it. Let me see. Let me see in its mouth. Let me see it's in
How's that even alive? It doesn't look alive, does it? It's like parts missing on him. Doesn't it? It's like he's
It looks like that's his
skeleton.
It looks like that's his butt.
You can't see it. It's just like the. It's just like a little white line or a black line in the back of his throat.
Right here.
Yeah. See in the middle?
Oh yeah.
It's just like a little black line. Usually.
Don't sing that. I'm gonna take you. I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna give you. mom's video. A-D-Y. P-A-P-A-D-D-D-A-D-Y. P-A-P. Theo. 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 Come on.
Yeah, this way.
I can't do anything with them.
Bring him this way.
I don't know what it is. Go back to mom.
You go to the playground, Theo?
Oh, you know.
You go to the playground?
There's a fire ant pile. Get him. Go, go. Get him. He stepped in a fire ant pile.
You okay?
He stepped in a fire ant pile. Stop getting me on video.
That's the video, girl.
There's a snake in your pants. You see any gnats? Yeah. Yeah.
Happy ninth birthday. You might want to go somewhere where you can. I don't know. Well, Paul Haynes got to take a picture. So.
I can open the thing.
You need a knife?
I'll show you right here. Look. It's hard to find. Ooh. How did you do it, Paul Haynes? Whoa. Oh, there it is. Just lift up right there. Okay. And these are, so on the, right here, Benjamin, it's written what each one is.
Hold it.
I don't know if you can read it. What's the first one? Agate.
There, Grace.
Geodes. So that's those. Look at these. Look. Okay. Look at those. Those are the agate geodes. See them? Look, take it out. See how pretty it is?
Wow.
And those are from
Cool, dude.
those are from Brazil, South America.
Can I have one?
You found him in Brazil? Where'd you find him?
I think his mother.
Okay, those are, I've had those since I was a kid. My mother used to take me back. So those, yeah, I haven't been to Brazil, so,
What's the next one? Okay.
Did she go there?
huh?
Did she go there?
No, when I was a kid, she used to take me to Science Hobbies, a place in Charlotte, and she would let me buy pick out a rock. And that was what I picked out, yeah, from the store. She's the one that got me interested in rocks and everything.
I see some shark teeth.
Can I have a walk?
So look at, what does that look like to you?
A hamburger.
Yes, it's called a hamburger bean. It's from Guantanamo Bay, Cuba.
Cuba.
So I did,
They're only in Cuba, right?
yeah, I did find all the rest of them except for the agatized fossil, yeah.
Hines went to Cuba when he was in the military.
Mm-hmm,
He
yeah.
was a Marine.
It's called a hamburger bean. And then that one is petrified coral. And
And
that's
it's
this. And it's gem quality. It's a fossil from Florida.
Wow.
Yeah, they make cameos, they make,
Yeah, the fossilized shark teeth are from Edisto Island in
That's
South
a big
Carolina.
one. That one.
They're from
You
Edisto
know what kind of shark
Island.
that's from?
The gray white shark. A baby.
but they're as old as the megalodons. The shark's teeth around there are as older than the dinosaurs.
Wow.
And then that's a piece of obsidian
Got some
from
plaque.
Yellowstone National Park.
It's a decay.
It did. I don't know
What
if
do
you
you
can
think,
save
Benjamin?
that
Is that
too.
cool? That's the biggest, is that a shark's tooth?
Yeah.
That's the biggest one you have.
And that is a fishtail calcite from the Little Bighorn
Daddy.
Custer Battlefield, Montana.
Mama.
Yeah. Remember we used to do that?
Yeah.
It seems old now. It's not funny anymore. As funny as it used to be. Yeah. Yeah, that's called. See that? It's fishtail calcite. It's from Custer. You ever heard of General Custer?
Is it because it's fishtail because it's so thin? Or just the shape of it, right?
Yeah.
Why is it called fishtail?
You see the lines in it
through
that
it.
kind of come together at an angle. You see
You
them
can
on one
see-
side?
yeah.
That's it.
And you can see
Yeah.
through a fishtail like that. It's transparent.
That's it.
What do you think?
When you scale a fish, it's kind of what it looks like.
What do you
Yeah.
think,
On a
Benjamin?
fish.
Which one's your favorite out of all those?
Do you see the obsidian?
The geodes?
I want
geodes.
one of the
Do you see the obsidian there?
Where's the obsidian? Did we read about that one?
Yeah, it's from Yellowstone National Park.
So see the obsidian? It's
Yeah.
they use it. It's sharper than they make scalpel. They make surgery scalpels out of them that are sharper than any steel.
It's just
Yeah.
Wow.
like get chipped off from the other rocks.
Sharper than steel?
Yeah. Have you heard about the obsidian scalpels?
Yeah, I have.
Mix this up.
They make surgery tools and perform surgery on people like
It's
this.
obsidian.
Sharp and sturdy?
Yes. Well, it's very hard, but also very brittle.
Mommy.
You wouldn't want it to break off inside.
No, but it's for cutting for cutting skin skin and organs and everything. It's unsurpassed.
You can ask Anna for it.
What's that?
You
What
want
you
some
need?
cookie?
Okay, you want your cookie now? Okay. Put that here.
Those are really neat, Benjamin.
Yeah.
He has a box where he keeps all his different rocks.
good.
And we can
Just keep them up high from Theo. You don't want him
yeah.
trying to put them
That's
in
good
his
you
mouth.
wrote it all down, so
Yeah.
we'll have it.
Oh my goodness.